very quickly. Alright. Uh-oh. Alright, folks, we have a bad sign alert. Mr. Wongberger, thanks for the 16 months with Twitch Prime. That was very nice of you. So, Mr. Wongberger. Alright, so what do we have here? We have all the screws are missing on this controller except for one. The one screw that is on there is stripped. It is stripped by the previous person, not me. Hold on a moment. I'm sure I can unstrip it. I'm the unstripping screw champion of the world. So, give me a moment on that. Nothing will stop me from unstripping the screw. I'm very, very good at it. However, let's see. Trick number one, let's use a rubber band. If you press down really hard on a rubber band, you can kind of fill in the blanks, but this doesn't seem to be doing it. So next, let's go ahead and use my bigger screw and you get out of here. And there you go. That wasn't so bad at all. Alright, let's open this thing up. I'm good at stripping and screwing. Whoa! Alright, this one looks a little weird on the inside. I suppose I haven't really messed with a Panasonic Q controller on the inside, so maybe once. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and toss this. These sticks are terrible. Alright, next, this is our bad stick. Oh yeah, and it's the actual stick mechanism, not the readers. So I'm going to move the readers out of the way so we keep it as original as possible and pull the old stick mechanism out. You haven't seen a controller fix before. Hey, Super Shigi! Okay, real quick, I had a question for you, not really. You said you're doing music on a game called like Dunk Dudes or something like that? I forget, but I'm pretty sure I saw that game at PAX. And I was trying to listen to the music because I was like, I think Super Shigi did this music. It was called Dunk Doodaroodies. PAX was amazing. Alright, here we go. I also saw an awesome indie game at PAX called Twin Cop. Imagine two cops cut in half right down the middle. So one player controls the right side, one player controls the left side. So which direction you... Oh, and it's like a twin stick shooter. So one player's controlling the right arm, one controlling the left, and you're also kind of fighting each other for how to walk. It's pretty fun. Dunk Lords, that's the one. Yeah, I saw that. That was cool. How much will that controller retail after you fix it? I'm not sure. I assume this one will go for $50. Maybe a tiny bit more. Just because I have not seen a Panasonic Q controller in a while. So it's hard to say, but the other uncommon GameCube controllers go for $50. So it's got to be about that. Oh, co-op Manual Samuel? Yeah, but it looked a little more action-packed. Like, Manual Samuel looked like it was... Manual Samuel was like... I played it with Kelsey a little bit. Or quite a bit, actually. That was more of like a funny, frustrating thing. This looks more like a combination of Manual Samuel and Broforce. Where it's got a lot of... bro attitude and action-packed gameplay. PAX was surreal. I saw a mom getting an autograph from a Twitch streamer and saying thanks because her son is a huge fan. Streamers coming to new movies. I don't know about that. The one where two people control one character. Yeah, it was pretty cool. It looked like a really fun idea. That was what I was trying to check out the most at PAX, was the Indie Mega Booth. I ended up seeing, like, I don't mean to be disappointed by any of the indie games, but I ended up seeing a lot of games that I had already seen, so I was kind of like, you know, I'm just waiting for them to come out at this point. I've got, like, Wave Break is a really cool game, but I saw it, and I was like, yeah, I've already seen this. I can't wait for it to come out. It's Tony Hawk on the water. On, like, high-powered speedboats. It's pretty cool. I can't wait for it, but I was like, time for the next booth. And then I see, what's that game called? Down the Well? Or Creature in the Well? It's like the pinball, I don't know, pinball, random, I don't know how to describe it right now. But it's a really cool game, but